My name is Abu Bakr Nasr. I came from Sudan. I attended the laparoscopy and gynecology course for the last 2 weeks. Actually, I get from your website at the internet, and I contacted you. I was very lucky to have an easy access to you so that I got to know details about the course. The easy contact with you, the clear objective of the course, and actually what I intended to get from the course was also quite accepted to me from your site. Attending the OT was very interesting for me to attend such complicated cases in the hospital by very competent surgeons, as well as skill lab, which we have been exposed to a lot of exercises that will help in laparoscopy. Actually, I was interested in getting acquainted with the tips and tricks of laparoscopic suturing techniques, different techniques, and that was clearly covered in the course, as well as some exposure to the way they are running the surgery in complicated cases in laparoscopy, and looking at the setup where that was being achieved in the OT as well. The hand-on training sessions are quite useful, and the trainers are very helpful, and they give the tips in a very tips and tricks for the course in very clear manner, and they are available at any time to guide and let you know about the small points in the techniques that will make the process easy in completing the procedures. That has a positive impact. Now one get more oriented with multiple points that can be very quite useful in practical practice, and that can be reflected in helping others to get oriented with these tips as well. Honestly, I'm very quite happy and satisfied. All the staff are very keen to help, very nice, committed, and actually hospitality was very clear from all sides. You find all the staff is smiling, trying to help before you ask for any help, and the atmosphere and the milieu is very warm and very supportive. I was really very much impressed by all the surrounding. I never had any event which is negative. Actually, it was all quite positive events with all the members of Medicity. I'm thankful and grateful to them all at any site, administration, the lab here, getting to the hospital, coming back, everything was quite smooth, and even the hostel was quite smooth and very nice. I would recommend for others so that they can make use of it. So far, to me, this is quite good. I think it depends on everyone. That will depend on the needs. From my side, I was very interested in the practical point, and that was well covered. I was interested more in attending the OT, and that was covered, and that could be more. The theoretical part is usually easy to access from different sites, and that was actually quite adequate to me. So far, I'm quite happy and satisfied. Thank you for your hospitality, for treating me in a very pleasant way, for helping me, for every minute detail, for your great hospitality, and treating us with a very nice smile all the time. I'm very much indebted for being here with you. It was a nice journey, a nice stay. I really enjoyed it very much. And I hope that the relationship will continue for quite a longer time. Thank you.